everyone. I'm sending you a blissful day. Welcome to podcast G. Marie Listens, Negosyo Talks. My name is G. Marie Gomez. 9 years po akong private employee. Pressure sa work, and I can't do long travels. Hindi nakaipon, buti na lang mayroong business na nakatulong sa akin and have the same mission as me to help people live better and be blessed by our Almighty Father. In this podcast, our goal is to inspire and motivate with our stories. Our stories that we can contribute to the people. Welcome our special guest. She is a private employee for almost 10 years and a small online business owner. Let's help me welcome Miss Laverne Akain.
Yes! Hello! Good morning, everyone! At sa lahat ng panig ng mundo, good morning. I'm Laverne Akain, dating empleyado for almost 10 years, a small business owner, and now a full-time automated online business owner.
Hi, Laverne! It's good to see you again. Thank you at pinaunlakan mo ang invitation ko. Kumusta?
I'm fine. It was great. Thank you for having me here. It's overwhelming. Hindi lahat nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na may masama sa isang podcast via live streaming.
You look great and so inspired. I believe nasa Cebu ka ngayon?
Yes, I'm in Cebu, particularly in Balamban.
Great! Ang galing naman. Nasa Balamban, Cebu ka and I am in Iligan City. Thanks to the power of technology, napakadali nang mag-connect ngayon. Para sa mga viewers natin, si Laverne po ay isang small online business owner dati. Ngayon, full-time Multiplier Pro automated business owner. Please, ikwento mo naman sa amin, what was your life back then?
Gaya ng ibang mga empleyado ngayon, ako rin ay isang empleyado din noon. So, yan po, makikita nyo sa screen. Dati po akong empleyado sa isang GOCC company at isang private petroleum company. So, kaugalian, pag pinag-aral tayo at nakapagtapos, so nature din natin na magtrabaho at para makasustain sa pangangailangan ng pamilya at makatulong. Pero, ang problema is, are we financially stable at may time freedom ba tayo? Noon kasi, nung nagtatrabaho ako, kahit naka-day off ka, tinatawagan ka. Kasi nga, nakalagay sa job description mo na willing to work overtime kahit naka-day off ka. So yun, wala kang masasabing time freedom. Obligado ka mag-duty, gawin yung trabaho mo para hindi ka mapagalitan ng boss mo. Kaya, I quit working na at be involved in the Multiplier Pro community.
Kaya nga, iba talaga pag working mindset tayo ginagamit. Akala natin naka-pills. Kasi pag sahod time na, feeling natin wala na tayo problema. Kasi nabayaran na natin, di ba? So what's bring you to the Multiplier Pro community?
I joined Multiplier Pro community through my angel upline, Che Galinero, na classmate ko din noon. Noon kasi, parang nakatatak sa isipan natin ba na magtrabaho na lang tayo after graduating, yung security na makapag-sahod 15.30 or 10.25, pero hindi siya yung kumbaga happy ka ba? So, nung nakita ko yung mga post niya sa social media, parang na-curious ako. Kasi, nung college kasi kami, napaka-simple niya lang. Pero, nawindang ako kasi nakapag-travel na siya abroad. So, that's why she introduces me the Multiplier Pro system. and be involved in the Multiplier Pro community. So, nung nag-join ako, doon ko talaga nakita yung personality growth ko. Na kung bugnutin ka man noon, dito you are surrounded with positive people. Yung inspiring stories from members, and I want to be like them and achieve my dreams for my family. So, I joined Multiplier Pro community and do the system through my big why na nakikita nyo sa screen ngayon. Kasi pangarap ko din na mabigyan sila ng magandang buhay at makapag-travel with them also sa iba't ibang mga lugar. So, with Multiplier Pro community, you get more time with family, travels, eating with family, saan ka man magpunta, walang boss na tumatawag sa'yo, di ba? You get to enjoy every precious moments with them. And with that also, pagkapasok mo sa community na ito, from strangers to friends to family, you are being recognized, kasama mo sila every single moment na masaya kayo. Walang nagsisiraan, puro positive ang mga tao dito. So, pinupuntahan nyo. Kung noon, trabaho, bahay ka lang, dito mai-experience mo ang mga bagay na hindi mo nararanasan noon. At nakakapagsuot ka pa ng gown, o di ba? Kung noon, yung suot ko, shirt, jack lang, parang astig na astig. Dito, i-evolve ko talaga sa community na makakapag-gown at happy talaga. Di ba? When you engage to this community, yan yung makakasama mo. Di ba? Ang ganda. Parang lahat ng tao, pangarap ang ganitong buhay. Di ba, Miss G. Marie?
Yes, I agree. Thank you so much. Na-enjoy mo ang Multiplier Pro community. Now, you just launched your brand website for your automated business system. Congratulations, Laverne. Can you tell us more about this?
Yes, it's like applying for a personal franchise for the system and you can name it sa pangalan mo. Parang copy-paste kasi ang system. Tapos, kapag nag-franchise ka na, you can sell the same. Yung magpa-franchise from you, they can also brand the exact system na pangalan nila. Then you earn royalties and commissions from this. And this is aside from the sales na generated by your online business system. Para siyang money-making machine mo.
Wow, ang galing naman. Stress-free and worry-free na talaga, no? I am sure excited din ang viewers natin. Paano sila mag-franchise ng automated business system? Can you tell them how to start?
Okay, for interested entrepreneurs or aspiring entrepreneurs, apply at www.laverneakain.com, then follow the flow until you pass the initial qualifications. Yes, may qualifications tayo. And you can also email me at multiplierpro@laverneakain.com or reach me at 0915-162-1317.
Great. Thank you, Laverne, for the info. So, they need to apply first. Uulitin ko lang ha. They can go to your brand site, www.laverneakain.com. Then, follow the flow until you pass the initial qualification. You can also email her at multiplierpro@laverneakain.com or call Sir 915-162-1317. Yan! Alam nyo na where to contact Miss Laverne Akain.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Laverne. It was such a pleasure to have you here at Usapang Negosyo. We hope you have to be here again. And to our dear Ka-Negosyo, thank you so much for watching and we look forward to see you in our next podcast. Me and
Yes,
Laverne,
thank you also.
advice to you is follow your dreams, take courage in pursuing them, because deserve mo ang magandang buhay.
Yes.
Together, kanegosyo,
Kanegosyo,
go for your
go
dreams.
for your dreams and multiply.
And multiply. Thank you. Bye.
Bye!